Hello, kindergarten. Today, for math, we're going to be working on lesson 13-5. So grown-ups, please get out that in their workbooks or the PDF file that that are in the slides. Today, we're going to be creating 2D shapes and using our 2D shapes to make new 2D shapes or other 2D shapes. So Emily, she has two triangles here, and she thinks that she could make another 2D shape. She's learned about a circle, she's learned about a triangle, she's learned about a square, and she's learned about a rectangle. And so she's wondering what shape she could make with those two shapes. Go ahead and talk to your grown-up, and even if you're grown up, if you can, or if you're able, maybe cut out two little triangle shapes or find things that are shaped like that and have them play around with it. If you take a piece of paper and just cut it on the corner like this, cut on that line, it'll make the same shape. And if you can make two of those, that could be really helpful for them to try to figure out and make it hands-on. So if you can do that, please do that. Otherwise, just think about it, talk about it, and then come back. All right, so I hope that you guys played around with some shapes to try to figure out what shapes you can make. So I'm going to try. It's really hard with this pencil to make these kind of shapes. But if you have a shape laying like this, and then if you make another one and put it right against it this way, what shape, other shape, did it make? I hope you figured out that it made a square. Did it? Is that what you figured out? Could you make a different shape? Tell your grown-up. Talk to your grown-up about it. All right, let's go on. All right, we're going to be working in our guided practice. And we're going to be taking this shape, this triangle, and we're going to use this pattern block to try to cover this shape with more shapes and how many triangles can fit inside of this shape. Again, grown-ups, if you can cut this out or cut out pieces that look like that with paper, that would be really great for them to get it hands-on. If you can't, if you're not able to, that is okay. But when we look at this, let me get my pencil. When we look at the triangle inside this triangle, so they added this one, doop, 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 in the middle. And then what, I see another triangle. Sorry, it's not super straight. So there's one triangle in the middle, there's another triangle up top, and there's two more down here at the bottom. So how many little triangles fit inside of this big triangle? Go ahead and tell your grown-up. I hope you told them 4 little triangles could fit inside the big one. All right, we're going to go to the next page. All right, now this is still the guided practice portion of the workbook. So this is the part where you grown-ups come in and you're going to help guide them through each of the questions. The directions are down here at the bottom. And remember, this is guided practice, so you're guiding them through it. Don't try to let them do it on their own, and don't just tell them the answer right away. Try to slowly ask questions like, why do you think that? Maybe we can draw that. How do you know? Those kind of questions to help their thinking process of how many of these little shapes can fit into this bigger shape, and then write the number here. All right, I hope you have a fun time learning. I'll see you on Monday with the second part of this lesson. Bye.